So the next component that is prone to replacement or repair or maintenance is the foot pedal. So the foot pedal has the potential to either break or bend over a period of time while it runs against or rubs against the stopper. So this part may have to be replaced from time and again, but the way to do it is first unfasten the nuts and bolt once again using the tools provided along with the machine kit. You might have to use a hammer to push this fastener out. You might need to use a plier to pull the bolt from the holes. Once the bolt is out of the hole, the foot pedal is now removed from the machine frame to set it aside, and then once you have a new component or a replaced version of the foot pedal, the way to reinsert it back or assemble with the machine is that align it with the holes and then use the same set of fasteners, the bolt with the washer, use the hammer if needed to push it all the way through, use the black washer, and tighten it all the way once again using the spares option.